Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tiffany. Today it's on a Sunday and I'm so happy. And I really thank God for this day. It's not that we are so special, but it's the will of the Lord to let us see this day. You can decide on something, you can plan on something, but God is the one who decides. Like itafanyika. Anyway, so today's video I'm going to cook mandazi. Cardamom mandazis. Iliki mandazi. I'm going to cook mandazi yenye iko na cardamom, which is mandazi ya iliki. Kiswahili kidogo anyway. So right now I want to show you the ingredients, then tukande, and then we let it settle. Saa zile itakuwa ina settle, I'll be doing some 1 2 3, then we cook. And don't forget that my channel is all about positive vibes. I've been so busy, that's why I've not been posting, because I'm trying to balance my social life, my work life, my gym life. Oh my god, I have a lot of things in my mind, like I'm working on them now. So yeah, and don't forget that my channel is all about positive vibes. Ages, there's an improvement, guys, you see. Hey. I'm so happy, and my dreads are growing right now. Ziko na 5 years and I'm tired of them. That's why even I don't let them to hang. I'm tired, that's why I just put them like this, because they're too much. Cooking mandazi in Qatar. God, tonight we celebrate. Let's get into the video. So we have cardamom, sugar, 2 eggs, sunflower oil, baking powder, butter, and all-purpose flour, na tuko na warm milk. So this is what you're going to use for today. Okay guys, something happened. As I was boiling the milk, nika decide kuchukua nikunywe half and I used the other one. So nikaeka kwa glass and nikaeka kwa microwave. So after imechemka, nilieka for like 1 minute 30 seconds, ikaisha. So after ikaisha ikafanya nikafungua microwave. So the milk was boiling like this. Sasa mimi nikatoa kwa microwave, ikalipuka. The glass fell down, but ikupasuka, but nimechomeka. See, I have decided to put oil. It's very painful, I wish my mom was here. I miss my mom. Sasa mamangu niko hapa, nilikuwa ameshaniambia niachane kupika, nilikuwa ameshanisaidia. I think nirudi home nikae na mama yangu, because it's very painful. Sasa nitaoga aje yake hadi ishaanza kuona maji ndani. Anyway, let's get into the video.
我的那颗心 有一处满面，收紧你的笑颜，挂满我整个房间。日记本写满的思念，小说里幻想的情节。男女主角的我们不相恋，可爱意却在心底。我的心像一场雨，淋湿我的小说书页，一厢情愿又痴迷，在雨雪里释放心底。是选择还是放弃？拿起手机凭旧气，发出表白的短信，沙沙声响起，牵着雨伞的你，牵起我的手，我跟在你身后，奔跑在雨雪里，里当撞让我摔到了扑向你。我们亲吻在一起，在这雨雪的夜里，你是我最好的回忆。幸福终于把我们锁在一起。我的心像一场雨，淋湿我的小说书页，一厢情愿又痴迷，在雨雪里释放心底。是选择还是放弃？拿起手机编辑器，发出表白短信。在这雨雪的夜里，你是我最好的回忆。幸福终于把我们锁在一起。
Ni soft. Hey God. Bariki wengine, you know? Sasa nimetosha kuolewa. Now I'm ready. Ni soft. Kayo. Anya moja kupika. Ona tu wenye naona. Na zimefura. Nilipea unga yangu 1 hour ndio ifure vizuri. Future husband, I'm ready. Sukari imetosha. Baking powder imetosha. Cardamom imetosha. Jaja guide me. Evening snack. Ni God.